Now we're going to reshape a path using the pen tool with the Reshape tool. This tool allows you to stretch parts of a path without distorting the overall shape. So let's go ahead and select the pen tool, and we're going to click here and to make a line. And I do have my stroke at 1 with no fill, and I'm going to click on Escape on my keyboard to get rid of that line. Now I'm going to select the Reshape tool in our toolbar. And if you don't see it under the Rotate tool, go to the Edit toolbar, and it's under Modify right here. Now I'm going to select the path. As you can see here, whenever I scroll over the path, the pointer changes. And when you see that little box, it lets you know that you can go ahead and modify the line. So I'm going to click about right here, and then I'm going to drag it over to the right. Now I'm going to go a little bit further down, and I'm going to drag it to the left. And it does add anchor points and reshape the path seen here. Quick question for you. What happens to a set of selected shapes when you hold down the Alt key and click the Unite button? The answer is a compound shape is created. Next, we're going to use the Width tool. The Width tool allows you to create a variable width along the stroke of a path. So we're going to use the dog tail that we created for the Width tool. So I'm going to select the Width tool that looks like a jester hat right here. Then I'm going to click on the archer path that we created earlier, and I'm going to drag it to the right. And you will know that you can do this when you see the little plus sign at the end of the pointer. Now you can see that the pointer has changed again with a squiggly line next to the pointer, and that just lets you know that you already created a path there and you cannot create another one there. You will have to select another place on the path to create another anchor point. So for instance, if I want to add one here, I do see a little plus sign and I can drag it again if I need to. I just undid that. And again, the new path is called width points. And the lines extending the width is called handles here. Now I'm going to click on the path that we just created here, and I'm going to move it up. So we're going to click here in the middle. And that widens again here. In addition to dragging to reposition the width point, you can double click and enter values in the dialog box. I'm going to show you how to do next. Notice that the pointer has a wavy line next to it and the word archer appears. The edit dialog box allows you to adjust the width settings of the width point handles together or separately with more precision. Also, you can select the adjusting adjoining width points options. Any change you make to the selected width points affecting the neighboring width points as well. I'm just showing you how to do it here. And now I'm going to hit cancel. Quick question. What does the Reshape tool use to distort the shape of the line? The answer is the anchor points.